If you are looking for an AI content detector that can also check for plagiarism and improve content quality, you have probably come across Originality AI. But is it still worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll quickly cover its features, pros, cons, pricing, and who it's best for. What is Originality AI? Originality AI is an AI powered content detection platform designed for publishers, agencies, educators, and businesses. Its main purpose is to identify whether content was written by AI, detect plagiarism, and help maintain content originality. Key features. Here are the standout features: AI content detection for models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloudy, and other popular AI tools. Plagiarism checking by comparing content against billions of web pages. Readability analysis to help improve the quality of your writing. Fact checking assistance to identify potentially inaccurate claims. Team management features, including scan history and shared workspaces for agencies and businesses. API access for developers who want to integrate detection into their own applications. Pros. Originality AI offers several advantages. Fast and easy to use interface, combines AI detection and plagiarism checking in one platform, regularly updated to recognize newer AI models, useful collaboration tools for teams and content agencies, flexible credit based pricing instead of requiring expensive subscriptions for everyone. Cons. There are a few drawbacks to consider. No AI detector is 100% accurate, so false positives and false negatives can still happen. The credit based pricing may become expensive if you scan large amounts of content regularly. Casual users may not need all of its advanced features. Pricing. Originality AI uses a credit based pricing system. You purchase scan credits and use them whenever you analyze content. There are also subscription options with additional features for businesses and high volume users. Who should use it? Originality AI is a great choice for website owners and bloggers, SEO agencies, publishers and editors, schools and educators, businesses that need to verify the originality of written content. If you are just an occasional user, a simpler plagiarism checker may be enough. Final verdict. So is Originality AI worth it in 2026? I would say yes, especially if you regularly publish content or manage multiple writers. It combines AI detection, plagiarism checking, and team collaboration into one reliable platform. While it is not perfect and no AI detector can guarantee 100% accuracy, it's still one of the strongest options available for professional content verification. If you find this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching and see you in a new video.